Who knew there were X2s? Little baby SUV, I mean, it's cute. What did we do? Oh, corrected it. It was swirled up. I mean, look, the swirls. I mean, they're there. Got rid of all of those. Then she wanted me to make the interior, as she said, look better than when she purchased it. The seats are all nice and conditioned. It has some oils in them so that, you know, I don't use that dressing. We are good to go. If it's a dressing, don't use it. We corrected the outside, put a premier sealant on the outside as well. On top of that, it's gonna last about 3 months. No big. We didn't coat it. She may do that later. But it looks better than it did when she bought it. Inside and out. Once again, amazing! Amazing!